back, future adopters. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is which organelle is responsible for the primary packaging of chemicals that will be dispersed throughout the cell? A. Golgi apparatus, B. Mitochondria, C. vacuole, and D. plastid. So the correct option is A. The next MCQs is all of the following are examples of hydrolysis except A. Peptidase, B. Phosphatase, C. Esterase, and D. Lylase. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following organelle has a prokaryotic cell-like appearance? A. Chloroplast, B. None of these, C. Chloroplast and mitochondria, and D. Mitochondria. So the correct option is C. Chloroplast and mitochondria. The next MCQ is the rRNA is synthesized by A. Golgi body, C. Nucleus, D. Nucleolus, and D. Cytoplasm. So the correct option is C. Nucleolus. The next MCQ is centriole takes part in the formation of A. Nucleus, C. Spindle, B. Cell plate, and D. the start cell division. So the correct option is B. Spindle. Then the next MCQ is the bright color of ripe fruit is due to A. Chloroplast, B. Chloroplast, A. Chromoplast, B. Chloroplast, C. Amyloplast, and D. Leucoplast. So the correct option is A. Chromoplast. The next MCQ is spectrum for synthesis of sugar is autotrophic eukaryotes. A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplast, C. Ribosome, and D. Endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct option is B. Chloroplast. The next MCQ is stroma is the ground material of which of these A. Ribosomes, B. Lysosomes, C. Mitochondria, and D. Chloroplast. So the correct option is D. Chloroplast. The next MCQ is pick the incorrect statement. A. Mitochondria are double membranous. B. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. C. Mitochondria are the site for Kelvin cycle. D. Mitochondria are the site for Krebs cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. So the correct option is C. Mitochondria are the site for Kelvin cycle. The next MCQ is inner mitochondrial membrane has A. Cytochrome oxidase complex, B. BCA1 complex, D. NADH dehydrogenase complex, and D. all of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. The next MCQ is this is not a function of mitochondria. A. Fatty acid breakdown. C. B. Non-shivering thermogenesis. C. Electron transport chain is associated ATP production. D. Glycolysis and associated ATP production. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is chlorophyll and chloroplast is present in A. Stroma, B. Outer membrane, C. Thylakoid, and D. Inner membrane. So the correct option is C. Thylakoid. The next MCQ is a dish is a biocatalyst that increases the rate of the reaction without being changed. A. Aluminium oxide, B. Silicon dioxide, and D. C. Enzyme, and D. Hydrogen peroxide. So the correct option is C. Enzyme. The next MCQ is name the coenzyme of riboflavin B2. A. NADR, NADP, B. FAD, and FMN, C. Coenzyme A, and B. Thymine pyrophosphate. So the correct option is B. FAD and FMN. The next MCQ is name the enzyme secreted by pancreas. A. Pepsin, B. C. Trypsin, and D. Alcohol dehydrogenase. So the correct option is C. trypsin. The next MCQs is make the correct function of enzyme peptidase. A. Clue phosphodiester bond. B. Clue amino bond. C. Remove phosphate from a substance. And D. Removal of H2O. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.